In order to set parameters or control the StarSync Tracker in Windows, you first need to download the FTDI Virtual COM port drivers. Only after the drivers are installed will Windows recognize the StarSync Tracker Electronics Board as a COM port when you plug it in. You could download the drivers for free from their website as demonstrated here. Next, as demonstrated here, you will want to download a terminal program. I found this one works well. Once you run the terminal program, without the Tracker Electronics Board plugged in, you may see some COM ports. But if the driver is installed correctly, you will see additional COM ports when you plug in the electronics board. You may get a message saying that it's setting up the device when you first plug it in. When you visit the devices in the control panel, it should not say no drivers found. You can see in this example I have COM1 already there without the board plugged in. When I plug in the board, COM3 shows up. You'll want to make sure that the baud rate data bits, parity stop bits, and carriage return is set properly before connecting. Before taking commands, the tracker needs to think it is reset. You can place your finger over the proximity sensor to make it think that it has reset. You can see commands available by typing help. You can see the current EEPROM variables by typing status. Please note that it only shows up to 2 decimal places here for values. However, when setting them, you can use more decimals, and it will use those decimals when making calculations. It just doesn't display them with the status command. If you want to know what the variables mean, please see the diagram that we have online, or you could contact us for help. Also remember the units are inches here when it is a variable dealing with length. End length reset is how long it will go until it thinks it's at the end of the rod, and then it will reset itself. That can be a good one you might want to set if you are changing the length of if you're customizing the length of the rod. So here we're setting, just for an example, we're setting RI, DS, and DF. But you could set any of the variables that are under the EEPROM values when you type status. If you type status again, you should see that they're different. And thanks for watching this video.